Cardiovascular health is of paramount importance for overall well-being. Several lifestyle choices can have a profound impact on heart health, and two practices gaining recognition for their potential benefits are intermittent fasting and the use of black seed oil. In this article, we will delve into how the synergy of these two approaches can support and enhance cardiovascular health. Intermittent fasting and cardiovascular health. Intermittent fasting, IF, is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of fasting and eating. This approach offers several potential benefits for cardiovascular health. Weight management. IF can assist with weight loss and the reduction of body fat, which is a crucial factor in preventing heart disease. Excess body fat contributes to high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Blood sugar control. Fasting periods in IF can improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, decreasing the risk of type 2 diabetes, a condition that significantly impacts heart health. Inflammation. Reduction. Chronic inflammation is closely linked to heart disease. IF has been shown to reduce markers of inflammation in the body, potentially reducing the risk of cardiovascular conditions. Black seed oil and cardiovascular health. Black seed oil, derived from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, is a natural remedy known for its potential cardiovascular benefits. Antioxidant properties. Black seed oil contains compounds like thiamoquinone, which have powerful antioxidant properties. These antioxidants can help protect the heart from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Cholesterol regulation. Some studies suggest that black seed oil may help lower levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol, promoting a healthier lipid profile. Blood pressure management. Black seed oil has shown promise in reducing high blood pressure, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Combining intermittent fasting and black seed oil. To maximize the potential cardiovascular benefits of both intermittent fasting and black seed oil, consider the following guidelines. Choose a quality. Black seed oil. Ensure you select a high-quality, cold-pressed black seed oil supplement or oil for consumption. Timing is key. Incorporate black seed oil into your eating windows when practicing intermittent fasting. This allows your body to absorb the oil's beneficial compounds during periods of digestion. Consult a healthcare professional. Before making significant changes to your diet or adding supplements like black seed oil, consult a healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take medications. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, as both black seed oil and fasting can affect your hydration levels. By combining intermittent fasting with the inclusion of black seed oil in your diet, you can proactively work towards improving your cardiovascular health. These practices may help reduce the risk of heart disease, lower inflammation, regulate blood sugar, and promote overall well-being. Consistency, moderation, and professional guidance are essential when incorporating new dietary practices. Prioritize your heart health with these natural approaches, and always consult with a healthcare expert for personalized advice.